Hey guys, so what is up? Welcome back to my channel. So I decided to film an afternoon in my life just because we just been home. There's nowhere to go, you know, with this COVID situation. So my husband and I, we are cooking. I am cooking some, I'm not really sure how to say, how do you say costillas, like ribs? They're ribs, but I'm gonna make them with like beans and like chili sauce. A very typical Mexican dish, I think. So that's that. And we already, well, my husband already kind of like prepared the chili so I can like boil them with like seasoning and like some garlic. So this is our life right now, and yes, I am wearing glasses. So today I went to get an eye exam, and it turns out that I need night glasses and computer glasses, and I am just wearing them right now because I need to get used to them. So, you know, I have like this, like, you know, glasses prescription, I think. I'm not sure. So, and so I also, I just been staying cozy with like sweats and like, you know, just loose shirts, blouses, just cozy outfits because there's nowhere to go, you know, and my cozy slippers, like there's nowhere to go. Today I just went to the eye doctor, and yeah, that's about it. Actually, I get ready to go to the living room or to the kitchen to cook. So that's all there is to do right now. Just we go from the kitchen to the living room. From the living room, we go to our bedroom. We watch TV in our bedroom, and then we watch TV in our living room. So I cannot wait to go out to restaurants and just dine in, sit, you know, just eat without any worries. Okay guys, so this is already like boiling. I added the chili. I added guajillo chili. I'm gonna leave everything down in the description box. Guajillo chili and chile ancho. I blended the chili with some garlic and a little bit of the juice from the rib. This looks so good. It's very meaty and hearty. We're just gonna eat it with a little bit of onion, and that's it. Just a small bowl of it, and we'll have enough for like maybe 2-3 weeks. I mean not 2-3 weeks, 2-3 days. So good. It smells so yummy. So I'm gonna leave this, and I'm gonna go outside and play with my dog a little bit. So we had beautiful weather all this week, you guys. Sunny, 70s. Oh my God, it feels amazing. I wish I could, like, you know, barbecue with friends, family. We call this her little tortilla, but this is not a tortilla, of course. This is like lemon or lime or something like that. Go get it. Look at the tall trees, you guys. I absolutely love them. This is like one of my favorite things about Georgia. Just the tall trees, and they're just beautiful. Nature, really, like there's a lot of like green out here, you know what I mean? Where's my dog? So it's ready, you guys. We are starving. We ate like about what, 1 in the afternoon, so it is currently 6:30 and we are about to eat dinner. How do you like it?
Love it.
So you guys, my husband, he's been working from home and he's going crazy. So he goes in like at 8:30 a.m. and he wakes up at what time?
8:20.
8:20, okay? And he just goes across our bedroom because we made our guest bedroom into like our storage office, my beauty room, my filming room, you know, just a little bit of everything. So that's where he's working from, and he's going crazy in the house.
Coronavirus.
This is so good. You can eat it like this or eat it with tostadas. Mexican tostadas. This is like fried tortillas, fried corn tortillas. It's really good.
I think these are baked.
Are they? Mm-hmm. They don't fry them? I'm not sure. You know, surprisingly, I haven't been eating a lot. Because I'm still working, so I'm not staying here.
I haven't been eating a lot either, I've been here.
You know, we're still working, so it just feels weird because you go and then the streets are like so, looks like a ghost town, you know? But it's nice because I literally live like 5 minutes away. Oh, I'm getting so full. So after this, I'm gonna clean, pick up, and we're gonna watch a movie. I'm gonna make I'm gonna make, it's a lime orange vodka cocktail. So good. No, I'm just gonna drink 1 glass.
Well, watch it, she's in a bone, I don't want to choke.
Alright guys, so I am making a orange lime vodka cocktail. I actually seen this on YouTube, and I made it yesterday and it was so good. So you need 2 oranges, 1 lime, a little bit of sugar, and I have this beer salt, so it's kind of like, you know, a little sour. So you mix it in with the sugar. Okay.
That's mine.
Okay. All right, so let's cut these oranges. All right, so this is what you are going to need. Now, I am using this is a protein, I guess, shaker cup. I'm not sure. So I don't have a cocktail shaker, I don't know, metal or whatever. So I'm using this one.
Called a mixer. Cocktail mixer.
A cocktail mixer. So we are going to put some ice in here. Okay, so about 4. And then we are going to squeeze the orange. They smell so good and so sweet. My husband doesn't like fruity cocktails, so I don't either. You know, I'm a wine drinker, red wine drinker. For some reason, I've been just like craving something tangy and citrusy, so, you know. And then the lime. I know this quarantine has me doing some cocktail mixes up in here. And then some popcorn, so good. We're gonna watch a movie. I'm into like Spaniard movies. Do you guys like Spaniard movies? You cannot have this. All right, so we are going to, just for the garnish, just to make it look nice, I'm gonna save this little this slice of lime. All right, let's just save it, and I'm gonna throw this away. All right, so now remember I told you we needed the sugar, so I'm just gonna put it right here, just a little bit. Then this sour beer salt. All right, and we have this Strobisky. I guess I'm not sure what's
Stroisky.
Troisky. Is this Russian?
Stroisky.
Is this like Russian vodka?
Oh, vodka is Russian.
Oh, I did not know that. Okay, well, you see, I'm not a vodka drinker, but you know.
Yeah, right. You tell them like, look at that.
That's not true. This is just a shot. Okay, and then a shot of vodka. Okay. So now.
How do you say mother-in-law in Russian, en español? ¿Cómo se dice suegra en ruso?
I'm not sure.
Storbo.
Oh my god. All right, so nice and coated, and then this lemon looks a little
Corny.
It's all squeezed. I forgot to like you know, get a unsqueezed one. Okay. And that's about it. Now we're gonna shake.
Quarantine lime.
Quarantine. All right. Be careful, guys. All right. Oh.
Ghetto mixologist.
Ghetto mixologist 101. All right, so I'm gonna have popcorn and my cocktail. It's gonna be so good, guys. Definitely. This is delicious. The perfect amount of alcohol, like not strong. You know, just one. Great combination. Cheers, guys.